in this video, I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to use Kahoot, well, Kahoot Go. But basically, Kahoot is just a Quizlet game where it just quizzes you, just like Blicket, like the last video. If you want to learn about Blicket, you could go see that video in the tutorial. Yeah, basically, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification for more other videos to see more of the educational videos or more of the gaming videos or other that, etc. So you'll see that. Yes. So first, if you go to the Kahoot website, you'll see all these discoveries, all the presents, and then learn, and then all the types of games that you can play of. To sign in, we have over here sign up free, you play, and then log in. If you're signing up for an account, you could choose any type of account. You could go to professional, a teacher, a student, or family and friends. So I'll click on students. And then you could put a date of birth. After you put your date of birth, you could type in a username. You could type in any kind of username, just generate. Now to sign up with your email, so you could use Microsoft, Apple, Clever for more lower kinds of grades for people, many types of areas where they have Clever, and then you could use them. I think it's about to K to 12, maybe first to 12. You never know. Yeah. So basically just sign up with your email. Okay, so after you're gonna sign up to your account, you get to see a whole variety of pages where it shows the home, and we'll just use a Kahoot Plus. So Kahoot Plus is just basically, you have more options to play on. So if you pay a lower price of $4, you could use the price of player limit of 50. You could use flashcards or create a trusted sources, use create AI assisted study sets, presentations for the $8 one, a practice test for 13, and then the $20 ones for the unlimited AI tools. So there's also annual and there's also monthly. So yes, this is the annual. Okay. So after you do that, you have a whole variety of trivia questions or just any kind of questions you want. Yeah. Basically, you get to go to Discover. You can discover some of the games that you could choose from, or from basically the test. You have NASA. NASA is a pretty cool and big company. TED is basically TED, which is learning. BBC Learning, Ask, Listen, and Learn, Greenlight. Yeah. You have Nickelodeon, Marvel, Star Wars, CBNF, Panda One, Angry Birds, Disney, all kinds of animals, all that, etc. Hello Kitty. All try to find your interest and stuff that you would be wanting to go from. You could also do K-pop of history. So that's the one that's really cool. Music. If you're into music, you get to choose from this, from Wikipedia. Tour de France. I think those are just France. Probably, not really. I don't know. Yeah, the fun facts, all that. You could go to library and you get to like make your own Kahoot game. So I could just choose from here. I can make my own Kahoot game, which I could choose the blank canvas, the Kahoot generator, or the PDF to Kahoot, so you could add your pictures and all that. Or you could use a template from somebody else. So over here, you get to put in your question. And then after you put in your question, which is like, what does cats like to do? After that, you could add in your picture, like a cat or something. So you'll just get some suggestions from Getty Images. So I could just add this cute one. And then here, just have the questions. What does cats like to do? And then you could just add which question is correct, and then you could just click on it. And then, yeah. It's basically like Blicket. So basically, the only difference is that you have like You could also create an avatar on Kahoot, which only if you go to the game excessively. So only if you're in a game and you're playing, you basically could choose from an avatar that you choose from. But also Bullet, you could also change your avatar and make your personalized avatar onto the whole screen. So yes, this is. So you could add any kind of other questions like quiz, truth or false, type answer, slider, pin answer, puzzle, and then quiz and audio. Quiz and audio is pretty cool, as what I'm saying. Okay, so now we could go to the back. And then here, your drafts will be saved even if you close out your tab. So yeah. For reports, you just have reports over here from like a teacher or something. Groups, your teacher could assign you groups. So if you have like a group right here, like you're in a group with like 3 fishies, and then it'll show the fishies on there, and then it will say like, your team fish, or yeah, and then yeah, you get to play together, or do the homework assignment together probably. Marketplace. So marketplace just you can buy the kinds of like quizzes that you could use from. So they're about $3. Mostly all of these are mostly $3. Some are free, and then some are probably like the price of like $6 or $10. All that to more give you like more educational stuff to help you learn more and be more educated with yourself. So yeah, you have emotions. That's $3. That's actually insane. I mean, some people would buy it, to be honest. Yeah. Here's just more of the access pass for pros. So subscribed, and then you could have all these other ones. Here are the channels that you could basically see from. So you could click on one, and then yeah, so let's go click on Disney, back to school with Disney. Then you could just click on these, and then you could quiz from them and all that back to school. Basically all the educational stuff from like Disney, and yeah. You could also go to follow then subscribe, where if you follow any one of the subscribers, then it'll show up, pop up more onto your discover receipt. So yeah. More of your favorite kinds, not really. It'll probably just show the more popular ones, just like Blicket. Verified educators, so it'll just show like the educators that give you like more of like an actual teacher, or so, like more educated, more people. Yeah, basically. So we could play a game. I do not know if this solo. I haven't been using Kahoot for a long time, but ever since like 5th grade. But yeah, so I can just choose from. Just go to channels, and I get to choose from the back to school. So let's go click on this one. And then you could host a live. So see here. So yeah. Okay. So I get to host it or assign it as a teacher, or I could play it solo. So I could play solo on here. I could study on my own with flashcards, or learn, or classic mode, treasure trove, and then chill art, and then the tallest tower. So I could just learn. While at school, Bonnie has some time to make Forky. Join Bonnie to find the materials she uses to create Forky. Oh my gosh, I forgot. Look at the picture. What did use for Forky's body? We use fork. See over here. What did Bonnie use to make Forky's eyes stick in its body? Glue? Yeah. Smart. I'm just kidding. What did Bonnie use for Forky's feet? Of course. You get to see it over here. Pictures. What materials did Bonnie use to make Forky's red arms? pipe cleaners. Is Bonnie holding Forky? No. Correct. Here's Forky. Well done. Woohoo, we did it! 5 out of 5. Period. So we could just play the game again, you know? Or we could browse more other Kahoots, so I could try another one again. Let's go try another Disney. I'm not a Disney person, so yeah. Let's find SpongeBob SquarePants. Let's see. SpongeBob Underground. This one's cool. Let's see. Okay. Oh! Okay. Just put my name. Okay, so I'm gonna be playing with people, or either it's gonna be bots, which pretty much I think is just people. When SpongeBob visits Australia, he's exploring both the countries and continents at the same time. I don't know. Hey guys, I don't know this. I'm just exploring. Oh, I got it correct. Okay. Okay, we're gonna click on next. Baba and Patrick visit. They will be visiting the only continent that is entirely one country. Double points. Which of the flags will Patrick see when he's visit Australia? Okay, I got it. I thought it was wrong because it was red, and I thought it was wrong. Okay. Slatter. Well, when SpongeBob visits, he will be visiting the. Oh my god, guys, I don't know this. Wait, I got it correct. Wait, I'm kind of scared. Wait, why am I getting this correct? Wait, guys, wait. SpongeBob and Patrick can go skiing in Australian Alps, which can be snow annually than the Swiss Alps. I got it correct. I don't know how much questions there are on here, so I'm kind of scared. Which of these Australian cities had SpongeBob and Patrick? Not really sure. Oh my gosh, wait. I have to like 2 out of 4 correct. Okay, this is the type in it. Wants to visit the Sydney. Sweetie? Oh my god, Oprah. I don't know this. Sydney Sweetie. Okay. I don't know this. I'm cooked. Guys, I don't know how much questions there are on here. But this is the last question, guys. If Patrick Star visits the Great Southern Reef, he will explore the entire southern coast. I got second. I got second, guys. I feel like someone else. I swear she got that wrong. She got the other two questions wrong too. But anyways, guys, I hope y'all like this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification for more educational videos, more DIY videos, more Roblox videos, gaming videos, PC games, all that other stuff. If you're here and you're more into this more channel and you're new to this channel, welcome. If you're not to this channel, welcome back. I hope you all like this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.